consolidated petitions.
Thiko ya mbere ya guthikiririo kwa maciira ma kuregana na maumirira ma githurano kinene kia mwaka uyu undu umwe na kwanerirwo kwa William Ruto ta president muthure. Muikariri gitu wa kamiti ya ithurano bururi-ini Wafula Chebukati niekorire haceke thutha wa kumurikwo na njira nene ta gukorwo ariwe wathogire maumirira ma githurano kihituku. Mawakiria miene itiganite iria yandikithitie ciira uyu ari hamwe na Willis Otieno uria urugamirire Helef Halifa na Feroz Nolweji uria urugamirire Raila Odinga. Maugite Chebukati atabanagia uthurimi na wonganiriria wa maumirira ma githurano ari wika na ndari handu akuruhaniria makamishna aria angi a kamiti ino ta uria watho wendekithitie hari utabania wa githurano.
The national chairperson of the commission called both Raila Odinga and William Ruto. The whole day, nobody knew who the winner was. Even the commissioners didn't know the results because tallying had stopped. I refer to the affidavit of the 11th respondents. They have confirmed even them, they were concerned. Why has the open display stopped?
The framers of the Constitution knew exactly what they were doing because of where we had come from, culminating in 2007. Hence, the declaration was to be done by the chairperson, but the verification and tallying, if they wanted to do it by the chairperson, they would have said it.
Mawakiria ningi niekorire Chebukati kumana na itua ria kurugamia waniriri wa maumirira ma icigo bunge iria ciatigarite mbere ya kwanirirwo kwa maumirira ma muthia. Makiuga undu uyu watigire githurano giki nduma-ini nene kuona no Chebukati wari na umenyo wa maumirira ma muthia ma githurano.
And my niece Mimi calls, Piki Piki Ponki Pakamielo Disco. Because he called both of them. He called both of them. And he was the only person who knew who the disco would land on. It could have been either of them. It could have been William Ruto, it could have been Raila Odinga. It fell on William Ruto and he says, voila, you are the president. Is that how we intend to choose our national executive?
My ladies and my lord, this is a voter who is watching all this unfold in public. His simple question is, did my vote matter? Or was it Chebukati's result? Or was it an opaque result?
Hari mahoya mao kuri igoti mawakiria marenda Chebukati anyitikana na mahetia ma kwanirira maumirira ma githurano kinene hatari kurumirira mitaratara iria yagiriire ya watho. Undu umwe na hingiririo gukarugamirira githurano ringi ona kana wabici ingi yothe ya muingi.
This person, pursuant to Article 33, sub-Article 2, is no longer fit to hold public office.
Njetukano iria koretwo ihiriirie gatagati ka makamishna kamiti ino ni undu ungi umurikirwo na njira nene ta kionereria kia uria Chebukati atharirie urugamiriri wa githurano guku nginya itua ria gutiriria githurano icigo-ini itiganite cia bururi na mithingi ya gutukana kwa maratathi ma wikiria wa kura kumurikirwo ta kionereria kingi kia uria Chebukati akinyanagiria matua kiumbe.
We need to interrogate the conduct of the chairman of the IEBC. We need to interrogate the previous and even the current conduct of the chairman. He was effectively described by my senior line friend, Mr. Norji, that is a person who has perfected the art of imperfection. And he has perfected the art of imperfection by making sure that he conducts a lone ranger process.
Girivuatara Kameme TV, Jitego Mohura, Wagunyam.